Yeah, once again we are here in Sorokoi Alatentus Tintinto. So look at child. Today we are in another side of the Gambia, in West Coast region again. What do you have to say to your people out there?
Yes, man. I don't see my mic, man.
Your mic is with you there, any? So shout out to every viewer out there. Shout out to everyone. Extending our greetings to everywhere in the world. I check jenga dealer e bulo rojere. Funra nga bago dealer. Start up. We go.
Right. We are in Tintinto.
Right now we are in this place.
Tintinto.
Willinkamba.
Yeah.
We are now finished in Tintinto. Now we are in Willinkamba.
Willinkamba, Tintinto, right. New settlement. Can see new buildings right now. As we said, for Gambia today and for Africa tomorrow. We are in the rainy season though, Papa G.
Yeah.
During the rainy season, Gambia is always beautiful, you know.
Everywhere is full of green.
Everywhere is green. You know, and you can see buildings inside of the green. So drop your comment and let us know where do you want us to see us in the next step, right? If you want to see us in Jambo or any new development area, and then villages in the Gambia which are not popular, we want to exploit to the world. So drop your comment and let us know where you want to see us for the first time. Remember that we are Gambians who are working hard every day in the Gambia to make a greater name and a better name for the Gambia and for Africa. So if you are new to the platform, I urge you all, please you all to subscribe, basically like it. If you have been following for so long, keep liking our videos and share our videos to friends and family, to African diasporas, to African brothers, to all African brothers, to make us support Gambian all but moving all over the world. Make sure a family member, African member, to see this, you know, standard, unique, proper video, you know, as we always say. So big up to Sarah, to Princess of the Gambia.
Yeah.
And then shout out to Pabaji, the cameraman, always behind the camera, and shout out to myself, shout out to the whole team of Lucky Loves the Gambia, and shout out to my viewers all over the world that pushing us up to the seven heavens, you know what I mean. So you can properly see new buildings are coming up in the Gambia. So you can see the diasporas are changing this narrative of Africa, or the narrative of the Gambia. Beautiful structures are coming up, you know what I mean. So Gambia is fast growing, faster than before, standard growing than before, you know, super growing than before. But right, things are expensive in the Gambia. Before, things are not expensive, but right, Gambia is truly development. Yeah, expensive. Let's say that. Yes. Show. That's another story building, you see.
Yeah.
All over is a story building, both east, west, and north to the south. Driver, where are we? Legi nekun sa dinka de ya? No, Tintinto. Se legi Tintinto.
Another corner. It's a certain incident, isn't it? Yeah.
So shout out to our supporters, people who are making joining hand to Lucky Loves the Gambia, you know, Kachikali Bambo, Rap, Asante Coast, my brothers out there.
Umar Gambia, never forgot to
Umar Gambia, me can't forget and ball up, me big up me people out of Sweden, Germany, London,
anywhere,
all over the world. American brothers who are out there, Wisconsin, supporting the channel to grow far. And then me can't forget to ball and big up to my brother Amara, Fat2K Network is another platform, and there you can go and support by subscribing, supporting by sharing the videos, and then support Lucky Child. We're not talking about financial support, but supporting by watching our videos, subscribing by sharing our videos, and then A lot of villages are in Gambia here. Over 34 villages of already, no, 60, Pabaji, 64 villages all over CRR, URR, North Bank, South Bank of the Gambia. They all need of my support, by opening my cameras for them to talk about difficulties that they are facing, the challenges that they are facing. Some of the villages, though they are in the Gambia here, but if I mention it right now, you'll say no, it's not. It's not in the Gambia, but they are in Gambia. That's why when they say Gambia is too small, I say no, Gambia is not a small country. There are forgotten villages, right? So if you want to join a hand together, just subscribe and make a financial support, because we want to drill boreholes for them. Some of them walk over 12 kilometers just for fetching water. Mbaling Gambian or Lumboke Gambian, Ikubadogon Gambian, ngal konton rekal tol ngal konton wala liban jube kan dawa damba falale ko loki chalem albadi malem, who is taking off Gambia to the next level without no politics. I'm working hard every day. Fekane duma talk ak politician, preaching swing narrative. We don't talk about politics in our platform. We don't talk about killing, shooting and murdering. Or what we talk about the beauty of the Gambia, the development of the Gambia. We talk about entrepreneurs, and also we talk about the diaspora changing the narrative of Africa. We also said Operation No Bagway, Operation build more factories, more buildings in the Gambia. We change the narrative of Africa without no politics and tribalism. So comme lu ma leen ko dee war rek, dafa am village yoo xamante ne ñu ngi ci biir Gambia ba Gambia kono mu yàlla ko they are calling me every time, because well before the month of Ramadan and month of Ramadan we be going there to support the needies, and the diasporas are supporting, truly they are supporting the channel. And they are also supporting the people out there. So if you want to be part of this, there will be a number in the screen. You want to see us in any village in the Gambia to support them, give them water to drink, build educational school for them, we build hospitals for them, and then support them with hospital equipments, right? So femfendi la laf ko ke okono rek sa number nyung kumandino ya mbonjulo la enie diamo along next village mbita dame, because 64 villages me alon ko nimpa baji yo le register right now nyanda ka futa dame mbot ndol fongo mom fan sombonoje, because of no car, no financial support to go there. And then content creating is all about spending expensive, so we're traveling all over the Gambia, but people are reaching us who are in need of our support. The support that we can do is to open the cameras, and the diasporas, people in here, the government can support, you know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
So comme li ma leen ko war rek, villages yi ñoo nekk fale rek. Fii fan la ni mag ji?
Still Willing Kamba.
Willing Kamba, eh?
Yeah.
Sure. Bruce B is where our princess is living, Willing Kamba. So we're now driving to Bruce B. So from Bruce B we got to meet our brother called Amara, the African brother down there in America, visit the Gambia because of lucky child, and then he want to invest in the motherland. So shout out to Amara with his princess, with the queen. So femfendi love come all join rek, ñu bëgg join rek pour support villages yi out there need a see, because am na ñoo xamante ne sax si saret lañ dee wosin suñoo dem, am na ñoo xamante ne sax dañ soriante ak loptaan, seen jigéen yu biir yi dañ ne sona bu baax a baax am ñoo xamante ne si saret lañ dee am doom, am ñoo xamante ne jigéen yi sax dañ ne dee si yoon suñoo dem. So pour change loolu yëpp, pour stop loolu yëpp, suma channel bi lañ ko mën a supporter. Bi mooy sa channel yow sa boppa, whoever love the Gambia, you love the citizen of the Gambia, you want to see Gambia on next in another level, few mooy seen channel so wala ñu léegi ñu change this narrative pour ñu fompa rongo ñu xamante ne ñu ngi ko soxla, ñu xamante ne ñu ngi jooy dimbal, ñu fompal seen rongoñ fefen dimba kumboka rek pour se ñaajo fita ñaamu yalon ko ba senyaring ke ñaajo fita la solo ko wala mu yalon ko ba lafri wala la village to kata karabongolu Arabic school olu Islamic school olu dolba sola ren Quran bu ko lela dolba sola ren ko jamala. So fefen din dala faka bula ñu ko no rek bula mo la timo la mo la ki love Gambia, you love the Gambia, you love Africa. Here is an open way for you, open jet for you. It is open for each and every one to dial this number, and we see how best we can change this narrative, how best we can change the villages, how can best we can change from a village to a town, from a town to be a city. So right now we can do it. We can do it together with the subscribers all over the world, Kajikali Bambos, and others, other people all over. Me can't name every single one of you, but I know every single dollar, every single compound, every single dollar can change the narrative. Every single dollar can change the narrative. You know, can change the narrative of a sick person, can change the narrative of villages, can change the narrative of education, can change the narrative of our educational system in the Gambia. You know what I mean? So a lot of people are in need of this educational system and they are lack of it, right? Definitely. So it's all about, from Tintinto to where is this village? Where are we? Willinkamba, eh? To Turntable, Bijilo. That's a school, eh? Workshop. Gis ngeen bourse bi kuy dégg bourse bi musloo fa aga yangook wala ku xam bourse bi jëj bourse bi yangook ci biir bourse bi foo mun di toog rek toogal nga comfortable ak ñun seen cappuccino yi seen tea kaas yi seen everything su la jegewoo sa defal toppatoo nga toog nag jàkkaarloo sa télé bi wala sa mobile bi rek ne restaurant toogal rek waaw nga enjoy Gambia bi su fu loo jee gis la wax ñu ne loo leen bugg a gis loo leen bugg a xam biir Gambia rek dugalal suñu vidéo yi da ngeen di gis lu bari su suñ vidéo yi te more videos are coming up xamante ne da ngeen ko like be da ngeen koy bëgg a de waaw so papaji waaw yow continuer la ak gars yi taw yow it waxal ñu dégg la ntata mune la num fan soso koy Tintinto ntata kam ne video apartment jima yes man a person clear the nation clean the nation Alimbawa albanjube kan tawota fole monde ne correct alimbara Alimbara subscribe alimbaru najube lalu anina lalu menulkan sapun kalian limbara kabarang Gambia mangko kang kalimbara nasib mayani nyada kan ya tuwalye hey simayani nyada kan ya katungko almokenai katungko hey albanjo belaku sanjilulu kana fotil pitilo amangetile killing amangetilulu amangekarulu sanji jama album finyula wanda wa Gambian brother down there in America, New York City. Pull up the unique, wonderful, proper standard, amusing. That's Amsterdam. American Gambian brother build up Amsterdam right in the Gambia. That's a fully hotel, you know. Repatriation Gambia. Yes, man. We build in Africa one step at a time. Unity and progress, power we mine.
What do you have to say to people out there? Our people out there?
Unity and progress. Unity and progress in our mind. Unity and progress, the one making us to move every day. Unity of Africa, love for Africa, stability for Africa, comfortability, no guns, no bombs, no fighting, no push and pull within African people. We say no black supremacy and white supremacy in Africa. No divide and rule. We say no more border closing. We say unity of Africa, oneness of Africa, EU, United States of Africa. Yes, a shout out to Wudemaya and our African brothers who say love to Africa. We love Africa to be Africa. We're not saying leaders them who sell in Africa. We're not talking about the leaders who sell Africa and them batty man them with them batty delegation with them fake life. They Gambia we say we love you know. They we are the turntable here. Yeah man be. So feel like go here, like feel like go here, Malino, man. Rise, Africa, rise to the seven heavens, from the earth to the seven heavens. You see? Yeah, you feel like him. So swing so far be money, so apartment munjoge. Wow. So we are taking another direction. Hanga rek nkola kumbuka dang dungla. Kada video do rek parake, you know. So right now we wanna rek chepu kubuga apartment be rek your call number be wahala ko waji the full time. So ñu ngi waxe ne rise Africa, rise to the occasion. Forward, subscribe, like and share. I am the Prince of Africa, Pabaji, the smiling coast of the Gambia, working hard every day to make a big changes and narrative about our motherland. Thank you for watching. White Green. Boom. Boom. Bro.